mom is the color alchemist, and when she told me she made curl products that actually work but don't leave your hair crunchy, heavy, greasy, and gross, I didn't believe it either. I'm going to show you guys how I use Color Wow Flo-etry and Shook to bring definition back to this gross day 3 hair. These products have to be applied to damp hair, so I just go in with my spray bottle, make sure everything is covered. My ends always get super dry in between wash days, so I always use my Flo-etry to re-moisturize and hydrate my curls. I'm doing 1 to 2 pumps per side, and I just rake it through midsections to the ends. My favorite part is that Flo-etry reduces breakage by literally 84% in just 1 use. Then I just shake up my Shook and I spray it from my roots to my midsection, and this is what's going to define the curls and make them look super glossy and less frizzy. Shook is proven to deliver 78% less frizz, and it totally shows. Then I just go through, diffuse my hair, but you can air dry if you want. I'm back with my hair completely dry, and just look how much more moisturized and defined these curls look after using those 2 products. It's not greasy at all. This is my day 3 hair. There's no crunch at all. It feels like there's literally nothing in my hair, and that's my favorite part. I only get compliments in my hair when I use these 2 products. Thanks, Mom.